How to fix iOS 18 stuck on preparing update. If you want to update your iPhone to iOS 18 and it has been stuck on preparing update, then this video is for you to solve it. To solve this issue, first of all, make sure that you have good internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. If it is not stable, then try switching to another Wi-Fi or another router. Once you do that, launch the setting application on your device. From there, go through the general and hit on iPhone storage. And make sure that you have enough storage to download or to update iOS 18. Once you check all of this, go to the software update and hit on the update now option. Once you do all of this, your iOS 18 stuck on preparing update issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.